configurations, and now we will do the testings. Okay, so can you go to the transaction code FB60, ma'am? Go to the transaction code FB60. Give /n. Go to the transaction code FB60. Yes. Can you post one thing? Go to the transaction code OB47 and try to see the tolerance group. Go to the transaction code OB57 and try to see the tolerance group. Give a name, that is your choice. You can able to calculate the taxes, that is your wish. And take out the amount in document currencies, anything. Click on the enter, ma'am. See, for all the invoices, you will going to have calculation taxes, you will going to have payment terms, you will going to have installment payment terms, you will going to have all the things, all of you. It's okay. With the help of all these configurations, we can able to do it. Okay, see, this vendor is subjected to withholding taxes, right? Okay, so you can able to have business places with the section codes. Okay, that is your choice. If you want to take the section code, you can able to take it. Okay, section code is for the 194I rent, right? Take out this section code, ma'am. Instead of business place, after the business place, you have section code, right? Take out the section code also. Under the tax amounts, you have business places and section codes. Okay, 194I is for the section code, right? So you can able to take out. There is no issue. Okay, so go to the simulate option. Now we can able to see the details of the TDS on rent based on the gross amount only. We can able to calculate the TDS on rent, right? No issue. Click on the enter. Enter, no issue. Account determination not defined for transaction WIT in chart of accounts. Can you open this thing, ma'am? And automatic postings cannot be created because the account determinations for transaction WIT with case is not defined in transactions, and the document cannot be posted depending on the type processing. You can hold that. Can you proceed this thing, ma'am? Correct the account determination for the specified transactions. And give you a chart of accounts. Sorry. Okay, we haven't determined the account determination, right? Okay, no issue. See, give /n, ma'am. No, give /n. First, we need to define the withholding tax TDS on rent account, right? So give /n. Yes, we have missed the data. Assign accounts for withholding taxes. Assign accounts for withholding taxes. Give /n. Go to the transaction code FS00. No. Create one TDS on rent account FS00. Go to the current liabilities and try to take out the TDS on rent account. A GL account type is TDS on rent account, and GL account text is TDS on rent account. Okay, go to the control data. Everything is same. Short key is 001, and create our bank interest will be field status group will be Z001. Click on the enter, go to the save button and save it. Continue. Okay, give slash it and go to the transaction code SPRO. Go to the transaction code SPRO. And then next to reference IMG. Financial accounting and financial accounting global settings, withholding tax, extended withholding taxes. And then next one is company postings. Next one is postings and accounts for withholding tax. Accounts for withholding taxes. Define accounts for withholding tax to be paid over. Yes, take out the withholding tax code and withholding tax type, ma'am. First go to the posting key. Go to the posting key. First save the rules first. After this thing only we need to save the withholding tax rules. Okay. Go to the saving rules and go to the rules. Go to the accounts. No issue. Go to the accounts. Maintain the withholding tax type. D1, right? Then next one, withholding tax code 1D. Then next one is what is the thing? Withholding tax code only, right? Yes, 1D. The next one is account is whatever the account that we have created for the TDS on rent account. Take out that one. Continue. The next. D2 also. D2, 2D, 100505. D2, 2D, 100505. Go to the save button and save it. Okay, come back. Okay, everything is fine, right? So now you can just give slash in and go to the transaction code FB60. Take out the vendor. Take out the invoice date. And if you want to have the business sections place, you can able to take out. The next is GL account. And the next one is emerging document currency. And click on the enter. Now you can just vendor is subjected to withholding tax, right? And now go to this simulate option. Tax enter the correct. No issue. Click on the enter. Okay, so you can able to see the, install payment wise also you can able to see the TDS on rent. Okay, based on that thing only you can able to see this. See for the 78,400 rupees you can able to have the 1,600 TDS on rent. For the installments also we do have the TDS on rent accounts. Okay, this is the way you can able to do the configurations for the particular withholding taxes info. Go to the save button and save it. Go to the save button and save it. And now I will going to show you one thing. So can you give /n and go to the SPRO reference IMG. Go to the SPRO. If that vendor account is subjected to 80% of that amount, how it will be? So give /n, go to the SPRO reference IMG, financial accounting global settings, financial accounting global settings, financial accounting global settings, withholding tax, extended withholding taxes, withholding tax, extended withholding taxes, and the next one is company code. No, not the company code. Basic settings. Basic settings. Withholding tax codes. No. Go to the calculation. Withholding tax code. Take out the withholding tax code and define withholding tax codes. Continue, and we have the tax codes, right? So that is 2D. Double click on D1. Double click on D1. First D1. And this percentage of subject, I mean, vendor is subjected to, if that vendor is subjected to 80% of the tax, 80% of the amount, how it will be? Okay, remove this 100 rupees, sorry, 100% and give 80. Click on the enter, go to the dividend and save it. Come back, ma'am, and take out the 2D, that is D2. Give the 80% of the subject to tax. Automatically, it will going to take that thing. Okay, and remove the 100% and give the 80%. Okay, go to the dividend and save it. So give /n. Now you can just go to the transaction code FB60. And you do one thing, give /n, go to the transaction code BP, go to the transaction code BP, and for this organization, take out the supplier number. BP, go to the transaction code BP, supplier number, give the supplier number. And take out the suppliers numbers and go to the start option. Go to the start option. Okay. Now take out the FLB and 00. Yes. And go to the company code data. And go to the change option. Then next one is vendor payment transactions. Vendor payment transactions. Remove this payment terms. See, this is the immediate payment term, right? Why it is calculating? Why it is calculating the installment payment terms? Go to the dividend and save it.
Vendor, sir.
Okay, another vendor. You do one thing. Take out the withholding tax. No. I'm asking for the previous vendor. Give /n, go to the transaction code BB once again. Take out that vendor. Start. Okay, go to the vendor payment transactions. Remove this payment terms and just give 0001. Okay, I will show you how these things are happening and all. Go to the dividend and save it. Give the 0001. Go to the dividend and save it. changes have been made, right? So give slash and go to the transaction code FB60. FB60. All right, take out the vendor and the amount. Go to the simulate option, ma'am. Enter. Now see all of you. 2 lakh. Okay. 1,96,800 rupees. 28016. 260. Okay. See, for the 2 lakh, we should, that 80% of the amount. Okay. 80% of the amount means what? For the 2 lakh? 40,000 rupees, right? Okay, 2 lakh into 80,000. Sorry, 2 lakh into, I'm very much weak in maths. 2 lakh into 80 divided by 100. Okay, 1,60,000. Okay, for this 1,60,000 rupees. Okay, and how much the tax percentage rate? Ma'am, go to the calculator.
2%.
Calculator. You don't have calculator, huh? Take out the calculator. So now take out this 2 lakh. 2 lakh into 80 divided by 100. 80 divided by 100. Okay, that is 1,60,000. 1,60,000 into 2 divided by 100. Okay, so you can just observe yourself, all of you. The vendor is subjected to withholding tax, that is 80% of the amount only. Okay, just do the scenarios. Okay, so the tax will be 3,200. Go to the save run and save it. This is the way you can be able to post the withholding taxes amounts and all. Okay.